Hey, Jordan Martin here with Mulholland Brand, experts in gates, fences, and railing. Since the beginning, we've been working with popular materials such as iron, stainless steel, and wood. Our installations have always been successful with our customers, as seen by our great reviews on Yelp, Google, and Facebook, and even hundreds of videos on YouTube. Now, as years have passed, we still remain specialists in these materials. However, we have seen a large increase in the demand for aluminum-based fencing, gates, and railing, and this is largely due to common challenges in maintenance such as rust, staining, and deterioration. We were determined to solve these challenges for our customers, so we introduced aluminum to our list of materials. Mulholland Brand has been successful for over 25 years, and this is because we've always had our customers' priorities in mind: safety, privacy, and beauty. This is why we're confident in telling you that Mulholland Brand offers you the best price value while remaining aesthetically pleasing with our aluminum gates, fencing, and railing. When we first introduced aluminum to our customers, we weren't sure if it was going to be well received. Initially, we were shipping small amounts of aluminum materials by plane just to test the market. We quickly found out that the products were well received and demand increased. However, in order to keep up this demand, we had to start shipping by sea. We then realized that people were willing to wait 3 to 4 months for these installations. Now, before we introduced aluminum to our customers, the leading materials for fencing, gates, and railing were iron and wood. These are amazing materials, however, they're not able to meet our customers' priorities like aluminum can. So, let's take a look at some of these challenges. Iron is a great material. It's known for its strength, durability, and beauty. However, it's not perfect. Iron rusts really easily. In many cases, if it's sealed improperly, it can lead to rust and deterioration, and even if it's sealed or powder coated, it can still rust. All it takes is a gap the size of a pinhole to ruin an entire installation. And on many properties, iron gates and fences are placed right next to an irrigation system, which constantly puts the installation under moisture. Iron gates and fencing can also be extremely heavy. This can be a big safety issue for your property if installed improperly. Moreover, they can require large motors, which can also be an eyesore. Now, due to these challenges, iron installations still require experienced technicians to install properly. Since we're able to overcome these challenges, we still use iron in gated communities or where large gates are needed. Although wood is known for its elegant style, it's highly susceptible to issues such as rot, sagging, expansion, contraction, cracking, and staining. This is why wood is such a high-maintenance material, and it requires an expert who really knows what he's doing. Like iron, even if a small part of the material is untreated, this can lead to damages to your entire installation, as wood can expand and contract. Some wood species are naturally sealed. These species last quite a while with little upkeep, but they still require some maintenance to stay pretty. Unless you're willing to treat your wood installations at least once a year, you could end up with disasters like this. For these reasons, we've become specialists in manufacturing and installing aluminum gates, railing, and fencing. Aluminum solves all of the problems of these popular materials. We manufacture all of our aluminum products to carry the elegance of wood and iron installations while lowering maintenance and bringing corrosion to nearly zero. In fact, we're even able to deliver the best of both worlds by creating aluminum gates that look like wood. The only maintenance needed on these is just a little bit of cleanup. This is the reason aluminum is used so widely in various industries. Companies such as Tesla, BMW, and Ford all regularly use aluminum in their automotive components. Aluminum is also commonly used in marine applications, building materials, aerospace components, and astronautical technology. Now, even though aluminum is great, this isn't the reason we're so successful. Our experience has allowed us to understand the challenges in common hardware and innovate the designs of our gates and fences to maximize aesthetics and functionality. We don't just use regular doorknobs from the hardware store. We use high-quality mortise locks. These locks offer greater durability and security over standard cylindrical locks. We also offer a variety of customization solutions such as electronic access, storage function, keypads, intercoms, and much more. Many existing gates incorporate standard book hinges, which aren't aesthetically pleasing. But all Mulholland brand gates feature sleek hinges that blend into your installation. Even with your motor, we combine functionality with aesthetics. We don't use chains or ugly boxes that can ruin the appeal of your gate. We utilize chainless, high-load motors that can move gates of up to 2,200 pounds on straight slopes. Our proprietary motors allow for smaller, more discreet motor housings so your property can stay beautiful. Now, it's pretty clear that we're experts in our materials. However, having great materials and design doesn't mean anything if you can't build it. While LA has some challenging environments, one issue that's common with Los Angeles is its hilly terrain. In many cases, this even prevents certain companies from being able to install on certain properties, and this is where Mulholland brand excels. We're experts in installing gates in challenging environments such as hilly terrain. In fact, this is where the name Mulholland came from, the hilly terrain on Mulholland Drive. We're the only real manufacturing company in California that produces aluminum gates, and chances are you've seen our products before because we ship to other gate companies who really understand the value in our products. At Mulholland brand, we are confident in offering you beautiful gate and fencing options at the best price value. Call us today to schedule your consultation. I'm Jordan, and thank you on behalf of Mulholland brand.